Hey everyone, today we'll be comparing two GPU braces, the all-aluminum GPU brace support and the Oddtone graphics card GPU support bracket. As always, if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let's get started. Both braces are made of all-aluminum material, which makes them strong and long-lasting. The all-aluminum material used in these braces ensures that they will not age like plastic materials in the long run, making them a great long-term replacement option. Both braces feature a screw adjustment design that makes them compatible with various chassis configurations of traditional and long power supply bays. However, the all-aluminum GPU brace support has a bottom hidden magnet design which ensures an easy installation process and more stable standing in the chassis. Both braces have a polished anode, sandblasted anode, and CNC high-speed edge washing high-gloss process, which makes them durable. The all-aluminum GPU brace support goes through a full anode process, which maintains its durability even longer. Both supports feature a tool-free fixing module and a cushioning anti-scratch pad. However, the all-aluminum GPU brace support has a base high-gloss process, providing more protection for your graphics card. The all-aluminum GPU brace support costs $13, while the Oddtone GPU support bracket costs $12. If cost is a deciding factor for you, the Oddtone GPU support bracket may be the better option. In conclusion, both the all-aluminum GPU brace support and the Oddtone GPU support bracket have their differences but are ultimately the same in terms of functionality. You can choose either one depending on your needs and preference. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.